Hey y'all, hey, Amanda here, and today we have a special guest.
Should I
say your name?
I thought you were gonna do it.
I'm leaving all of this. It's too funny. Bitch, what's your name?
Susie, hello.
And we are going to do the May Shaker and Spoon cocktail box, which is a bourbon box. I bought one of the recommended ones. This is the Russell Reserve 10-year. I don't know if I'm a bourbon person, but we're gonna find out.
I'm a Russell person. Yes.
Yeah. So we have 3 cocktails. Is it summer yet? The Caloosahatchee, which I think is a river in Florida.
Yes.
And the Choco Facto. Austin, don't try and correct me. I'm telling you, it's a South River. It's South Florida River.
Shouldn't it say it?
It's a South Florida.
Oh, okay. See, she knows her geography.
No, I just read the descriptions ahead of time.
Well, that's fair.
So, which one do you want to start with?
I kind of want to do the hard one.
The hard to say one?
Yes.
Let's do it.
Okay.
So this one is stirred.
Okay.
So, let's see. If your fridge makes crushed ice, skip to step 2.
It doesn't.
If not, make enough by hand to fill a double rocks glass. We're not gonna do that. So we're gonna skip that step. Okay. Add all the ingredients to the glass, then fill it with crushed ice. Give a quick stir, then top with more crushed ice. Add the umbrella.
I love an umbrella.
At what point do we strain it, or do we stir it in the rocks glass? I think we just stir it in the rocks glass,
Yeah,
right?
that's what it seems like.
So then we don't need a cup to mix it in.
All right, great.
Perfect. So what I'm going to do instead is just put some regular damn ice, because that's what a girl's got, you know? So the ingredients: 2 ounces of bourbon. I have my lovely set of tools here. I will link to this on Amazon down below in the description.
I'm the resident Vanna White.
Thank you, Vanna.
You're welcome.
Thank you. So let's... Ooh, that made a nice sound.
That was very pleasing.
Let's add
It was so easy.
2 ounces of bourbon.
I can't tell if it's in frame. It was. Oops.
That's fine. All that really matters is if they taste good and me spilling stuff everywhere.
The glass isn't in frame. That's what's confusing me.
That's fine.
That's fine.
No, that's too close to the edge.
That's fine. Yeah, don't do that.
Next, we need a 1/2 ounce of lemongrass ginger lemon syrup, which should be this one.
Got it. Yellow, that makes sense.
Okay, you need to open it.
Okay. I'm not going to say that was easy. But it was easy.
Nobody
Man down.
said it was easy.
I did, just now.
Okay. Okay. 2 dashes of smoked orange bitters. Which one's the smoked orange? Here we go.
You might have to take it all off.
Okay, I just can't open things today.
I see.
That's.
Are you making one? Are we making one?
We're making 1 of each. We're going to taste them.
Got it.
And then we will drink them equitably.
We should have had some sort of plan prior.
Okay, now we stir it and spritz it. These instructions are not very good.
You spritz it with this?
No, we spritz it with the orange sprint. No, this is not a spritzer. We have to add this orange stuff. 2 ounces.
Got it.
I'm just getting confused because I get confused.
We all do sometimes, and that's okay.
Okay. This is a really pretty drink.
It's so pretty.
Would you like to stir?
Yes. Oh, I would love to have a part.
Okay, so you add all the ingredients. You're supposed to have crushed ice, which we don't.
Can you see?
And then this is the one that gets a cocktail umbrella. What color would you like?
I would let, let's go with the pink in honor of your hair.
Oh, thank you.
Yes.
Well, pink
Also, orange and pink is a great combination.
It is. It is a good combination.
Very fabulous. I think I've stirred enough.
Probably.
Even though I do love to stir.
Alrighty. We'll open our little umbrella that I just broke.
Yep, that happens.
And voila. It's the Calahoosahatchee.
Yes.
Shall we try?
Yeah. You go first. It's yours.
You know what? I don't hate that.
I like it.
I almost want like a pinch more lemonness.
Yeah, a little less bourbon flavor. I don't know if I want less bourbon, but less bourbon flavor. So if the lemon was like louder.
I like the aftertaste.
Yeah. That's a nice one.
There's no burn.
Mm-mm.
That's a good one. Okay, overall.
It's not like an aggressive bourbon flavor. I just wish there were more of the other flavors.
The Calahoosahatchee.
Thanks, South Florida.
Mild success. Now, which one do we want?
Let's go Choco Facto.
Okay, we're doing the Choco Facto now. So this is also a stirred drink. Add liquid ingredients into a dry mixing glass. So we do need a mixing glass for this one. And it doesn't want us to put ice in it yet. So you have to fill the glass with ice after we add the ingredients. And then stir until the glass feels cold. 20 to 40 seconds. So this one calls for 2 ounces of bourbon.
Yep.
Okay. I feel like I'm gonna make a hot ass mess.
You are.
Adding the ice second.
Mm-hmm.
Just gonna splash everywhere. I'm getting bourbon everywhere.
Yeah, you're already making the mess. You're there, honey.
I am. Here's the towel that I'm gonna clean it up with. And then we need 1/4 ounce of the chocolate syrup.
I have it ready. Oaxacan chocolate syrup. Do you need help?
I don't think my fingers can grip it. They're too little.
I'm not going to say that that was easy.
Okay. She's
She's thick.
She's thick. We're gonna let her
She's thick.
drain out there for a minute.
Can relate.
True.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
True. Okay.
Is that it?
Yep.
Just one?
3 dashes of barrel-aged coffee bitters. So I hope this doesn't keep me up all night. That says morning wood.
Also related.
You know, I bet that is the coffee bitters because we don't have any other bitters.
Yeah.
And it's called morning wood.
I really love that.
1, 2.
Your technique is delightful.
Thank you. 3. Okay, so then we add the ice on top.
Are you not supposed to stir it first? Oh, no.
No.
Okay. Thought that was the whole point of adding them first.
I guess it just wanted them to get acquainted. I don't know.
Become friends. That makes sense.
This one's gonna get some of those chili threads, which is
Ooh, that's
interesting.
exciting.
Okay, strain into a rocks glass over a large ice cube, which I have.
Very large ice cube.
Exceptionally large
Yeah,
ice cube.
very large ice cube. It really brings the fantasy though.
It does.
The large
It
ice
does.
cubes.
Oops.
Sorry for those of you with misophonia.
Okay.
Ooh.
And would you like to add a few of the chili threads?
Yes. I would.
And then you can try this one first.
I thought this was saffron at first. I was like, what are we putting saffron?
For aromatic finishing touch, please place a pinch. I like how they say please.
I think
No,
that's
they
a
didn't
pinch.
say please. I just said please. A pinch
You're so polite.
of chili threads just atop the large ice cube.
Is that enough?
It's very aesthetic. Give it a try. I'll wipe things up real quick.
Okay. It has a little kick to it.
Well, it was a lot of bourbon in there.
Uh-huh. This is aggressively bourbon.
Yeah, but I actually kind of like this one.
It's not bad.
I get the
surprised
chocolate
me.
and I get the coffee.
Yeah.
I'm getting all of that in the back of my throat. I'm getting notes of it in the back of my throat.
I definitely feel the chocolate in the aftertaste.
You know what would be really good with this?
Ice cream.
Ice cream. But
That's our solution for everything. It's just that ice cream.
In a previous month's box, there was a cocktail, and you had to use the square ice cube mold thing to make coconut water ice cubes. And I think that is what this drink needs. One of those coconut water.
That
it would add a
was
nuttiness,
good.
and it would make it feel more rounded out.
It was better when you used that coconut. I think that drink.
That
I
was
agree.
really good.
I would like so we'll come back to this another day.
I'll have to get some coconut water. But
Yeah.
I think that would be really good in this.
Yeah. I don't think it's bad. I think I like the other one better.
I think I like that one better.
Good. One for each of us.
Yeah.
That works out.
We don't have to share.
I don't want to.
Okay. Okay, so our last cocktail to make is called Is It Summer Yet? So this is a shaken cocktail. So we'll grab my little shaker that's really hard to open.
You guys are going to get to experience her shaker face.
I've watched
wonderful.
enough Bar Rescue to know that I need to smile at my patrons, okay?
Which is really just me every time.
Pretty much.
Because Austin doesn't really drink at all.
Add bourbon and syrup to the shaker. Fill the shaker with ice cubes and shake vigorously.
Ooh, strawberry rhubarb syrup.
Yeah,
That's
until
nice.
it's ice cold and shows frost on the outside. Mine will not, because I bought the kind that won't make my fingers cold. Because I'm a weenie.
I was going to say you're a weenie.
Okay, so
Weenie
we
Hat
need
Junior.
2 ounces of bourbon again. These are all like
Whew, that's a lot of bourbon.
hefty ones.
Yeah. If I didn't already have hair on my chest.
You have hair on your chest?
Everyone does.
Oh, I thought you meant like hair, not like baby hairs.
No, I mean eventually I have gingers. Some frizzy lizzies. If you've
Austin's
ever watched
got, like,
that,
2
so by
back
Ginger.
hairs.
Shane has a lot of back hairs. Shane is my husband, by the way. Lots of
We're
back hairs.
officially done with the bourbon.
Good.
Okay, 1/2 ounce of strawberry rhubarb. You keep looking at them and not opening them. You know I can't.
Oh, this one's hard. Are we gonna have to call a man?
Let's not. Let's not. I need to get a microphone if we're gonna record like this. I feel like I need a little Rode mic on there.
Yeah, you also need to hear the sound effects of the way I...
Is it still recording?
Yeah,
Yes.
it's red.
Yes.
I can't get it. My hands are sweaty. I'm nervous.
My hands just don't grip anything because they're too tender and
You need
ladylike.
one of those... you need one of those grippy things.
Austin!
We have to call a man. Here, let me try again.
Okay.
I've had a rest. Nope.
Austin!
Oh, I got it.
Never mind.
All
Never
good.
mind.
All's well that ends well.
Okay, so
I hope this is
1/2 ounce of strawberry rhubarb syrup, which is gonna get mixed. We won't mix it in with the chocolate. I'll just. Oh, that's gonna get weird. Let's do this over the towel then.
Very good. Strawberry rhubarb sounds nice. Have you ever had strawberry rhubarb pie?
No, I've never eaten a rhubarb.
Me either. I would like to.
I've seen them in the
I'm
farmer's
now
market.
Manifesting that and putting it out into the universe. I would like
3
to.
ounces of honey pear soda, and it is not honey and pear. It is the honey pear.
Yes.
I clarified before I accepted the subscription, otherwise I would have skipped. Just so we all know.
I don't think it's a twist off, so you have to use the thing. Oh, okay. Ooh, that was...
Isn't that fun?
That was very fun.
Very fun. Okay, we need 3 ounces of this.
Perfect. It's 1.5.
So,
Okay. It smells good already.
it does.
I'm very
smell
excited.
Really nice. 1.
They've been having some really good sodas that come along with this.
They do. I actually just had Austin pick up more of the pink grapefruit tonic that I love so much.
That's a very good one too.
Which you can't find freaking anywhere. You had to get it at Wegmans, which we don't live near Wegmans, so that's annoying. So.
Well, we go to Wegmans often.
We do not.
We travel.
I'm just.
Oh, this is fun.
I go to the closest grocery store because I'm lazy. Okay, and then 1 or 2 spritzes of the white sage hydrosol. Oh, I don't think I was supposed to put that in the thing. Oh well.
It happened already.
We're gonna go with it.
Like,
Strain contents. Okay, we're just gonna shake it.
you didn't do the white sage hydrosol.
Yeah, we're gonna put that.
Hydrosol.
We didn't put anything in here with it.
It's just the
This
juice.
is just sober us. We're not even drunk.
We've taken one sip of each.
I purposefully did not have a cocktail at dinner because I'm like, well, I'm gonna be drinking later.
I also skipped just because I didn't know how I would be.
Yeah. Maybe we
Also,
should get on here and do this drunk ahead of time.
Effervescence is so good. It's like you put a Mentos in there.
Cold at the top. Okay, now that we've done this wrong, strain the contents into the Collins glass over fresh ice cubes. As opposed to the soiled ones you just shook with.
Yeah, it smells nice.
Okay.
It's very exciting.
Oh, I probably could have just strained through the top. Oh well, we'll do it this way.
Yeah, they make that.
So at this point, we probably should have added the soda here, but we did not. So we're just going to pretend we did. I added just the right amount of ice into that. How about that?
Really perfect.
Look at that bitch.
Aesthetic.
Oh, okay, and our hydrosol, we need 1 to 2 spritzes.
This is very exciting. It's like chemistry class, but for alcoholics.
Okay.
Ooh.
And I think that's it.
That's like peppery.
If you have one on hand, shake a sage leaf to awaken its aromatics and then place on top of the drink. You can even add a strawberry slice. I like the extra little perks you can do.
Just breathe near it and then it'll be fine. A strawberry slice sounds nice though.
That's delightful.
Ooh, very excited.
Even though we made it wrong, it's still good. That's a nice one.
Yes.
Yeah, I feel like that speaks to us.
That feels very summer too.
Yeah.
We like summer
That's a
drinks
good one.
a lot.
That's very, if you're a basic bitch, you'll like this one.
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm.
This is very basic
This
bitchy.
is very nice. Look how nice they are. Oh, you can't see them. But anyway.
So, is it summer yet?
Choco Facto.
Chattahoochee, who's your mama?
It's a technical term.
So here are all of our cocktails we made. I would say for me personally, I'd probably put this one first, this one second, and then the Umbrella Buddy third. But I feel like you would switch the 2 Collins glasses.
Yeah, I would definitely put summer first, but I like the idea of adding the strawberries to it. I think
do,
or even like a muddled
jam.
strawberry.
Yeah.
Yes, very good. I think a little strawberry would be nice in that. So I do like that one the best.
Yes.
I do like the orangey soda. What was that? Yeah, orange soda.
Yeah.
I also am partial to orange soda over chocolate.
Well, I mean, we are children of the 90s.
We are, yes. I do.
Who loves orange soda? I mean, I never liked orange soda, but
I always have.
we all love
I like
peanut and
Fanta. You know.
Don't you wanna?
Those are all the ones I know. I was gonna say Faygo, but no.
Yeah.
No.
So,
No.
thank you for joining us today. We're gonna get drunk and watch whatever the heck. I guess we're stuck watching the Orioles game because that's what Austin's watching. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, you can give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them down below. If you'd like to stick around for a while, you can hit that subscribe button. I will link to Susan's channel down below, and you guys can bully her into filming because she has all these ideas and doesn't film them.
Yes.
And otherwise, I'll talk to y'all later. Bye! That was good. I think that went really well.
I really like the way we ended it, where I did the things while you were doing the things.
Yeah.
Is it recording?
Oh, so short!
You are. It is kind of hilarious. Should I sit in one of the other chairs?
Welcome to Fun with Flag. Oh, we should take the plastic off this.
That's probably
Oh
good
yeah,
idea.
this is recording.
Oh, okay. Bloopers.